Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel again. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to go about changing the color of an image cloth using Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Yes, so waiting for the I'm going to create a new um workspace. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. Let me enlarge it small a bit. Yeah, so I want to bring in the image that I want to use. This is the image. So I'm going to change the color of the shirt she's wearing to any color of my choice. Yeah, so let me see. Yeah, so go to this layer panel where we see that circle thing. We click on hue and saturation, then click on the pointer that looks like a pointer cursor, something like that. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, click on it very well, then we clip mask it to the picture. Then we use our eyedropper to select to touch the color of the shirts you want, of the color you want to change. Then after doing that, select it very well. Then after doing that, we just play around the hue. We keep changing it, sliding it until you get the color you are looking for. Just like how I'm doing it now. Yeah, so I'll just put it to something like pinkish red. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, as simple as ABC. And so that's it on how to change the of the color of the shirt of an image using Photoshop. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell that you get notified whenever I upload another tutorial video. Thank you.